Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Novitec Wi-Fi booster reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether Novitec Wi-Fi booster is a legit product or a scam one. Guys, this is not a product, and if you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the amazing picture of this product, which is Novitec Wi-Fi booster, and it is the Wi-Fi extender device which is designed to improvise and strengthen the Wi-Fi coverage across your home by bypassing internet provider speed throttling. Apart from that, this Wi-Fi booster gives an optimal internet browsing experience without lags and buffering. Now guys, there is a lot to share about this product, but before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's move on to the most important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So guys, let's start with the specifications of this Wi-Fi booster. And yes, it gives signal speed up to 1200 Mbps and it has two antennas, or it comes with 30-day money back guarantee and 2-year manufacturer warranty on this product, which is a good thing. Apart from that, it comes with smart design and it is compact and portable, so you can have super fast internet anywhere, anytime. Guys, you can also get 50% discount to first 5,000 bytes. You can get 50% discount on this product, and yes, it is compatible with phone, TV, laptop, computer and other internet enabled devices, and the price of this Wi-Fi booster is $49.95. You can view the price of this product by visiting the order now option. You can see the company is also giving 30-day money back guarantee and you can get up to 50% off on this product. So guys, you can buy one Novitec, two Novitec, four Novitec, and you can save your money by opting a suitable package for you. And you can make the payment via online by online modes of payment including PayPal, Visa, American Express, Discover and MasterCard. Now guys, let's talk about the pros of Novitec Wi-Fi booster. And yes, talking about the pros, so guys, this product is used to enhance speed up to 1200 Mbps and easy 3 minutes installation process. That means it is easy to install and it boosts Wi-Fi range, and it comes with dual power antennas that gives excellent speed, or you can say no dead zones and broad wireless coverage. And guys, it gives VLAN security for safe internet browsing, and apart from that, it is compact and portable as well. Now guys, talking about the reviews, so talking about Novitec Wi-Fi booster reviews, you can find positive reviews or testimonials on the official website. Here you can see most of the customers had posted positive comments or positive reviews or feedbacks about this product. But guys, there are no online reviews about the product other than the reviews on this official website. So yes, we can't declare this product legit, as the lack of customer reviews and the fact that the brand is not popular is worth to paying attention on this product's legitimacy. And apart from that guys, this device has no social media presence and has not got any reviews and online ratings from the current users. So this is again one of the biggest drawbacks about the legitimacy of this product, and we recommend you to check everything from your site before placing any order, because the official's website lacks many essential details including Wi-Fi range, compatibility of internet provider, etc. So guys, do proper research before making any decision, and we can say this is not a legit product according to the lack of customer reviews and lack of the entire essential details. So I request you all to share your experience with this product, guys. If you have any problem with your money, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.